Hi, thanks for watching. Well, I'm about ready to jack this car off the frame and do the necessary repairs and replace the body bushings. I've already got the power steering shaft disconnected from the gearbox. I also just left the master cylinder just kind of hanging around there. If I am effective enough to lift this off and have it be safe, I might actually attempt to take the back tires off and roll the chassis outside. There is no vent line. I shouldn't say vent line. There's no return line going to the fuel pump, so I might add that. You know, once the thing is off the frame, I'll be able to run those lines a bit easier. But my plan is to just lift the front and the back sections, and I'm going to put these 4x4s underneath it. Right now I have the car on dollies, so I will be jacking it up a little bit so I can get some jack stands underneath the frame, just in case I have a blowout when I'm underneath there. And I do have a lot of repairs to do. Several. I thought I only had a couple of broken body bolts, but these are the cages from the back, which I showed on the last video. These are I'm gonna have to fabricate something. The cages are gone that are on the body support, and of course, this is a pretty nasty looking bushing that I just pried out of the front. So anyway, I'm going to get ready to get this thing up in the air. Everything is disconnected, and hopefully it'll go smoothly and I'll be able to slip those 4x4s underneath between the frame and the body. Stick around. I'm going to put some shims at the doors, make sure I don't have any body flex. Should have realized I need to put something under the jack. The jack is fully extended, and I've got probably at least another 3 inches to safely get underneath there with the board. So, then we'll get some bricks. Pretty good. Now for the back. The back took a little more planning. I believe I've got it. I don't know how well the 4x4 is going to fit through this little area here though, but we'll find out. And then I should be good. I got it off the dollies now. Put it on jack stands. Front and the rear end is the weights on the springs. I took it off the frame. So let me see if I can slip that 2x4 or the 4x4 in there, and I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to have access to basically everything on top of the frame, so I had to slip some supports underneath the middle of the car. I'm going to try not to put too much weight on there when I lower it down. I want to put all the weight on the trunk braces in the back here. So I'm going to get some more blocks of wood, and I will shore that up and let it down very slowly and make sure that I'm not kinking any of the inner structure. I don't care about the outer structure. The quarters are basically rotten around the whole lip and on the bottom as well. And we'll see what happens in a minute. Okay, well, she is in the air. I have enough room to get around all aspects of the frame. Of course, when I get to here, I'll have to remove those, or move them in any way, and so I can do the top part of the frame. Front, I have the good 4x4. And here I just sandwich these together before I slip them underneath the car. So in the next video I'll be showing you the condition of all the body mounts. I have a pretty extensive repair to do. There's some broken studs. One in particular here. I'm going to have to separate that cage, get that block out so I can actually just put a washer and a nut. And the trunk is really the worst. I have to make that whole mounting bracket that goes on the bottom of the trunk floor. This side's not bad. I just lost the cage basically. And the bottom of the car here. So yikes, that's pretty bad. So I'm going to see if I can either get a donor piece or if I can just fabricate that piece or portions of it. And I'm not worried about all these area here, I can fix all that. And then I've got the one stud that's hanging down there. I should be able to get to that now. I'm hoping that the threads are good because the actual nut, the washer is underneath the B-pillar. So if I have to try to fix that, it's going to be I don't want to have to gangster any of the floor of the car. So that's about it. Everything else looks relatively sane back here. Got a lot of surface rust on the frame, so I'll be getting rid of all that. And I'm looking forward to pulling a dent in the tail panel out once the car is again on the frame. And we'll see. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!